Elevation way. Rich what's up, Rich shit. Next up. Made back straw off the lot. Bad bitch call her a dot. Diamonds that all in the watch. Sippin' late ice on the rocks. Say you get money, boy, bullshit. But when it's on me, get the fuck up. Rich forever, yeah, we do this. Look at my chain, you think I'm real stupid. Made back straw off the lot. Bad bitch call her a dot. Diamonds that all in the watch. Sippin' late ice on the rocks. Say you get money, boy, bullshit. But when it's on me, get the fuck up. Rich forever, yeah, we do this. Look at my chain, you think I'm real stupid.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, like, I got here too quickly.
I'm in a big deposit. I used to dream of the Mazda. Me and Dexter racing Rari. No pistol, no bag. She don't want the drag. Smoking cookie in the man that relax. Off the lot, I ain't having a tag. Hit a drill and pull a straight touchdown. I spent the grip on a bus down. We're forever money long like a greyhound.
Okay, I just don't need gas or
I'm
nothing.
the bitch that she tired. I had to feel it unstrided. And I'm with the pussy out all night. Talking my bitch in the license. Made back straw off the lot. Bad bitch call her a dot. Diamonds that all in the watch. Sippin' late ice on the rocks. Say you get money, boy, bullshit. Rich forever, yeah, we do this. Look at my chain, you think I'm real stupid.
Just finished working the explanation. Oh my god. Mac, yep, fucking, and I went for the small spoiler too, so it's just not happy, but my rear end just clipped him. That's easy. That's It's kind of hard to see cars coming when I think your screen is vibrating violently. Oh my god. Almost fucking You didn't hit that car, did you? Oh, that's that guardrail, did you?
Nah.
On the left. On the right. I'm right behind you. I can see all this before you fall. Oh damn, bro.
You know your back's on?
You were left. You were left and then you were in front of me. Almost happened again, dude. Oh my god.
Okay.
So I'm doing like, you know, buck 80. He's not touching me. The first place is handicapping me at 60 miles an hour.
Right here.
Oh fuck.
Okay. You gotta be careful, like, when you use your brakes going that fast.
gotta be careful in general. Shit is just violently bouncing around.
Oh, your diamonds, that's why.
No, even before. Say what?
You said you left me.
Still see you on the map.
I'll have my radar on.
Oh yeah, you good. You have the point. Don't mind me. Made myself forget it.
Oh, cops.
I don't know if you noticed, but you passed me.
So yeah, I got cops. Awesome. I'm in the right lane too. There's a cop over there.
I can't see shit. That's what I get for being blind.
You hit the cop.
Yep.
See you later. I'll see you at the pit, so to say.
Yes, sir. I think I'm going the right way. I know that does. Okay, I'm going the right way. Damn. Oh, no wonder that felt weird. I didn't tighten down one of the